1 pot tomato lentil pasta recipe. Time 30 minutes. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon 15 milliliters olive oil, 4 cloves garlic, minced, 1 medium onion, minced, 1 vegetable bouillon cube, 1 teaspoon 5 grams Italian seasoning mix or substitute dried oregano or basil, half a teaspoon red chili pepper flakes, 3 cups 725 milliliters pasta sauce, 3 cups 300 grams or 10 ounces dry pasta, gluten-free if desired. We used spaghetti. 2 cups 300 grams cherry tomatoes, halved or quartered. 1½ cup 300 grams cooked brown lentils, rinsed and drained. 1/2 cup 50 grams marinated olives, chopped. 1/3 cup 25 grams sun-dried tomatoes, in oil, from a jar, drained and chopped. 1 tablespoon 10 grams capers. 2 cups 60 grams fresh spinach. Toppings: fresh basil, thinly sliced. Directions: 1. In a large pot on medium-high heat cook oil, garlic, onion, bouillon cube, Italian seasoning, and red chili pepper flakes for 2 to 3 minutes. Add splashes of water as needed to deglaze the pot. 2. Add the pot 2 cups 500 milliliters water along with the pasta sauce, cherry tomatoes, lentils, olives, sun-dried tomatoes, and capers. Bring to a gentle simmer and partially cover with a lid. Cook for 10 to 15 minutes on medium heat until pasta is al dente. Check on it every few minutes to stir to ensure nothing sticks to the bottom or burns. 3. When the pasta is al dente, add the spinach and reduce to a wilt. Serve it generously into some bowls, top with some freshly sliced basil leaves. Notes: storage: keep in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 3 days. Did you try this recipe? Let me know how it went. Comment below and share a video your friends. For most informative videos, please subscribe and like our channel.